Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to warm up a TikTok account in 2025. So whether your account is brand new or inactive, these steps will boost your visibility and set the algorithm in your favor. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. First of all, you need to launch your TikTok mobile application. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So the first step here is to set up your profile completely. Once you are over here, simply tap on the edit profile option. Over here, you need to make sure that you have a clear profile photo. You need to give a short bio over here that is relevant to the content that you are going to post. If you want to link your Instagram or any YouTube, you can also do that here. This builds trust with the TikTok and it shows that you are a real person and not a robot. Now in the second step, you can interact and like the real users. For that, you need to come on this friends tab or home tab, then use the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, if you just tap on the live option here in the search bar, you will see all of the accounts that are live here currently. So you just have to basically in the first 3 or 5 days start engaging on the apps. You need to watch the trending videos, like, comment and save the content in your niche. You need to follow those creators who you genuinely enjoy watching, and this sends positive activity signals and it helps TikTok to define your area of interest. Now if you begin posting one video per day for 1 week, you can use high quality vertical videos. So as you can see, this is the video that I have posted and it is a vertical video. Make sure that it has good lighting and trending sounds. Keep your video short and engaging and niche focused. Don't expect virality immediately. You are training the algorithm to recognize your content style. Make sure that you add the hashtags as well before uploading any of the videos here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.